Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We will need a screwdriver and the new motherboard. First, we remove the screws to open the cover. We take a photo to remember how the connections are arranged. We disconnect all the cables. We remove the 6 screws that hold the motherboard in place. Once unscrewed, we disconnect the last connected cable and remove the motherboard along with the backplate. Next, we attach the backplate to the new motherboard and fit them together. Now we place it in the printer, connect the cable, and screw it in. Using the photo we took earlier, we reconnect all the cables. Once finished, we close the cover and screw it back in place.